Hello everybody, it's your boy Brian again, and I'm very excited about this charger because it's not just your average charger. This is a 100-watt gallium nitrate fast charger with 3 ports, comes with its own cable, USB-C cable, gallium nitrate technology, and 100 watts fast charging and daily temperature monitoring. Let's get this thing unboxed. Let's check out if it can really do the 100 watts. And I'm telling you guys, you're probably going to want to buy this. Stay tuned. All right, now let's get this charger out of the box. Let's go through it really quickly. This thing is 3 ports, 100-watt wall charger, works for MacBook, iPad, iPhone, Samsung, Google Pixel, and much more. Trust me, it will work for your devices. This thing has 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, supports a total power consumption of 100 watts. So you can charge your phone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously, and it will power share between the 3. It's compatible with almost everything between iPhone 16, 15, 14, iPad Pro Air, Galaxy S10, Nintendo Switch, and much more. Gallium nitrate technology with higher energy efficiency and cooling as well. Comes with a 100-watt USB-C to USB-C cable. Trust me, these cables are worth it. You need a good cable with a good charger like this. Now we're going to do a testing charging speed with a MacBook Air at 20%, and this thing is pulling 80 watts directly, no problem. But I wanted to go higher. So then I grabbed a power bank, charging speed test number 2 at 20%, and guess what? It is charging 100 watts, baby. And next up, multiple device charging test passed as well. We charged all 3 devices at one, and that was the PISEN gallium nitrate 100-watt USB-C 3-port fast charger for iPhone, Android, MacBooks, laptop, Pixel, switches, and much more. This is the only charger you should have in your house. Trust me, it's the only one I got. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.